I challenged myself to learn how to edit in 1 week, and well, yeah, that didn't happen. It ended up taking 1 month. Hey there, I'm Xsmarty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how that went. This all started with me just scrolling through YouTube one night, and then bam, there it was, just one of those cool fancy montage edit things in Valorant. And one thing led to another, and yeah, I ended up getting addicted. So I googled the best free editing softwares, and apparently DaVinci Resolve is the best one. It's basically the king of them all. It's got everything the paid ones have, plus extra stuff. So I went to download DaVinci, and yeah. What the hell? I almost got scammed. But this is the actual DaVinci site if you are actually going to download it. Don't do what I did and click on these stupid sponsored ad things. Yeah, I forgot to get clips. So then I launched Valorant to get some clips.
Let's go.
Yeah, that didn't go well. But at least I'd gotten clips. And after that, I realised I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. So I did what anyone would do, and I went to YouTube. And I watched tutorial after tutorial after tutorial. So after watching YouTube, I learned how to cut, drag, and add text. I mean, it's not a lot, but at least it's something, right? So by the end of week 1, I'd basically just learned all the basics. I mean, I did get distracted quite a few times, so that's why I didn't make as much progress. Anyway, I would show you, my result of the end of week 1, but it's that trash that, yeah, I'm not going to show you. Week 2 was all about learning how to sync kills to the beat and add in slow motion. For some reason, this took me way longer than it should have. Just to add the markers to the song, like it took me 15 minutes just to add markers to where the beat is. My ears just stopped working. I don't know what happened. And the worst part was I listened to the same song like 100 times. At this point, I could have performed the song live. My ears were bleeding at this point. I'd never want to hear the song ever again in my lifetime. But eventually I got the timing right. The slow-mos, they looked good to me at the time, but looking back at them, they look terrible. I also learned shortcuts, and this saved me like a lot of time, and as the weeks went by, I got like a lot better at remembering what shortcut did what. By the end of week 2, I was actually moving around the timeline kind of fast. Still not good, but better, which honestly kind of shocked me. Here's what my week 2 edit looked like. At the time, I genuinely thought this was really good, but looking at it now, yeah, it's really bad. Week 3 is where things started to get hard. This week I learned velocity editing, masking, keyframing, color grading, and I tried to learn the fusion page. Velocity. This is where you speed up clips, slow them down, and make everything hit harder to the beat. This took me a long time to try and get right. It was when to speed clips up, when to slow them down, what part of the beat do I speed them up, what part of the beat do I slow them down, and yeah, it was kind of confusing, the whole thing. In the YouTube video, they made it look way easier than it is. Then I learned masking. This is where you cut parts of a clip out so you can put another clip in the background. And yeah, this one takes a lot of time. And then I learned keyframing. This is where you can make zooms, shakes, spins, and then you can animate characters or really do whatever you want with it. Just go crazy. Yeah, this does take a lot of time and you need a lot of patience to do it. And then color grading. I'm still not really sure what I'm doing with this one. I basically just copied somebody off YouTube and just put it into, my Valorant clip stuff. So I just hope for the best that their thing looked good, and yeah, that's how I got color grading. I will need to learn this in the future. And the fusion page. Yeah, I still don't really know how to use this. I can make simple stuff though, and yeah, everything's really confusing. It's just lines and like boxes you connect lines to, and that. I don't know what line goes to what order or what stuff goes where. It's confusing. Make it easy, please DaVinci. Going into week 3, the plan was simple. Take everything I learned so far and improve it. But once I opened the project from the week before, the music was gone. At the time, I had no idea what was going on. So I googled it and found out DaVinci Resolve just didn't know where the music file was stored anymore. I looked for about 5 minutes and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I went to download the same song again, but I was sick of hearing it, so I decided to pick a new song instead. And then I got lazy. I didn't want to add any markers to the beat again, so I made a really bad decision. I paid for DaVinci. It was like $300. Yeah, bad idea. So yeah, this is what the edit looked like by the end of week 3. At the time I thought this was pretty good. Looking at it now, yeah, it's still not the best, but honestly, not that bad either. In week 4, I stopped making montages. I might have started this challenge because I saw a cool montage, but that was never the real goal. The real reason I did this was to learn how to edit, so I could actually start making YouTube videos. And this video right here, this is part of that. This video's not perfect, but it's the best I can do right now. Honestly, one of the hardest parts wasn't even the editing, it was the script. Figuring out what to say, where to say it, and how long everything should last. And the voiceover, recording the same line over and over, trying not to sound like a robot. This challenge wasn't about becoming the best editor in a month, it was about starting. And this is the first video of many. If you want to follow the progress, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be uploading more videos like this in the future. And I'm only going to get better from here.